For the repair of KFM controller, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add 220 volt AC power supply and a resistant box. By turning on the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see that as we manipulate the input signal with the help of the resistance box, the output is changing. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the KFM controller is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the customer.